Welcome everybody to another episode of Latifs Inspired. Yes, I'm at the restaurant and I'm going through some lovely British Indian restaurant, the BIR dishes that you can cook at home. I'm using the base gravies. So I've got the base gravy recipe on the channel, the ginger and garlic, the tomato puree. Please try to get those recipes done and you're going to have the most amazing dishes at home. So today we are going to be making a chef special dish. Now, when I opened up the restaurant, we made these special menu. So basically every few months we would change the recipes around. And there's one dish the customers always still ask for. This is called the Kulchi lamb. So basically, it's a sort of traditional authentic lamb Bhuna dish, cooked with your onions, your peppers, the lovely aromatic spices, and it's got some green chilies if you wish. I'm going to make it how I like it, but the best part of it is crispy, crunchy onions on top. So imagine an onion bhaji, sort of that onion, that flavored crispy onions on top of your curry. It is amazing. Now the textures and the flavors would just blow you away. So this is one of the chef specials and I'm trying to recreate the menu again. So within a few weeks it'll be in the restaurant that you can come in and try this dish. So this is the lamb kulchi. You're going to have to watch till the end, and if you like what I do, please consider subscribing to the channel. You're going to have the amazing recipes, Indian, South Asian, and all different sorts of recipes that are simplified for you guys to enjoy at home. Please press the like button, helps the video push it up the algorithm. I really appreciate it. Go in the comment section, write a little message to me and dishes that you want to see and the recipes that you'd like to cook at home. So let's crack on with this amazing Kulchi lamb recipe for you guys to try at home. Amazing home chefs. Here are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need obviously the onions for that crispy onion bhaji like onions, and another onion we're going to cook a curry, green chilies, tomato, a basic mixed powder, I'll tell you what it is, a pre-cooked lamb. I've got this pre-cooked lamb on the channel. You're going to have to sort of go through the channel to see it. Gram flour, some coriander, and a few more spices, ginger, garlic, and tomato puree, etc. So let's start making the dish. Wonderful. Firstly, let's make the fried onion. So get your onions and just, it doesn't need to be fine, it just wants to be nice and crispy. About a few mils. Get it all into a mixing bowl. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mixed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Get my glove on. You're going to need gram flour, which is the chickpea flour. So when you put the salt, it extracts the liquid from the onions. So it's going to help the gram flour stick. Voila, there you go. So that's all that seasoned up correctly. About 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Get it all mixed up properly. There you go. Now let's start frying the onions. Bismillah. So you're going to need a pan and just some cooking oil. About 1 cup of cooking oil. Let that heat up. When the oil is hot, we're going to add this amazing onions. Bismillah. This is going to have an amazing texture and flavour. You're going to be just eating the onions, to be fair. Beautiful. We just need a few minutes to become nice and golden. Wonderful. So the onions, nice, crispy and golden. Look at that. Wonderful. Turn the gas off. I cooked on a high heat. This took me about a good 5-6 minutes. You at home can take 8 to 10 minutes. Look at that. Wonderful. Try to strain all the oil out. Voila, look at that. Crispy, crunchy onions, Just imagine onion bhaji sprinkled on top of your curry. So make sure you like the video, really appreciate it, and watch till the end for this amazing recipe to come together. Beautiful. Fried onions underneath the gantry. Now, there you go, let's have a taste. Wonderful, crispy, crunchy onion bhaji like onions. For the curry, we're going to need some onions, some green chilies. I like nice big pieces so I can see when I'm biting into it, if you want to avoid it or eat it. Beautiful. Tomato. Now let's start cooking the extra curry. Bismillah. On the same pan, so it's got that flavour of the onions. About 2 tablespoons of pure ghee, which is the butter ghee. So we're going to chuck in a bay leaf for aromatics. The onion. I'm putting half a teaspoon of salt. Salt to taste, you can add more or less if you wish. This is a good just over 1 teaspoon of dried Kasoori Methi. I'm putting it at this point because I just want it to get fried. It has a slightly little bitter taste and it just brings out the flavour in this oil. The onions are going to soften up, the salt is going to soften up the onions, draw out the moisture. This was on a high heat. Now cooking it on a medium heat, I just want the onions to soften up. Now while the onions are cooking, this is a simple mix powder that I normally make on the channel. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of Madras curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of Garam masala and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin powder. So just give that a mix. Notice I haven't put any chili powder because some people like it hot, some people like it mild. The curry powder has a little bit of chili powder, so I'm using the mild curry powder. Wonderful, so that's all mixed up. This is very different to my in-house mixed powder. This is my bread and butter. You'll have to come to the restaurant to taste this amazing recipe from our lovely chefs. One tip, if you use less ghee, if you're worried about your fats, you can use less, but just add a drizzle of water so the onions don't burn. So this is on a medium-high heat. Just put it down a bit. Now I'm going to add, I like a lot of ginger and garlic, so this is a good 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Fantastic. So I'm just going to add a drizzle of water just to help soften up the onions. Crank up the heat to a high. Right, all you amazing home chefs. Onions have softened up wonderfully. That water that I put in has evaporated. Put the gas to a very low. Now we're going to add the magic. So this is the mixed powder. 1, 2, and put 3 teaspoons of general mixed powder. That was heat teaspoons, by the way. I like it a bit spicy, so 1/4 teaspoon of ground chili powder. Wonderful. 1 generous tablespoon of our tomato puree. I've got this on the channel, please have a look. It's flavoured tomato puree, it brings out the flavour, enhances the curry. So let all those spices hit the oil, it just wakes up. As I always mention, spices can get damp, so you've got to hit it in the oil to get that flavour out. So this is 1 portion of pre-cooked lamb, about 8 to 10 pieces of lamb. I've got this on the channel, how to cook the lamb. Basically the flavours go into the lamb and it becomes nice and soft. And we at Latif's Indian Restaurant, we use proper lamb, not mutton, not beef. As some customers mentioned to me, we use proper lamb. This is the meat from the leg of the lamb. Wonderful. That goes in. That was 2 green chilies just chopped up. Wedges of tomato going in. Give that a mix and just let it cook on a medium gas. Just Bhuna up together before we add the base gravy. Let all that spices and everything, just spices get together. and Bhuna up together, sorry. Fantastic, there's no moisture there, it's just the oil, the spices and the ingredients. Now 500 ml of base gravy, it's 1 ladle. Now this is where all the magic happens, everything marries up together wonderfully. As you can see, it looks like an authentic Bhuna that you'd have like a handy dish, which we call. Now I'm going to crank up the heat, put a lid on, and let this dish come together and thicken up, and it's going to sort of stick to the lamb. That's the consistency that I want. I always mention custard consistency. Let's check the curry. It's thickening up wonderfully. Just want it to be even more thicker. So what I'm going to do, cook it on a dum, as I say, slow gas for 3 to 5 minutes. Wonderful. Voila, looks wonderful, thick, authentic Bhuna curry, tomatoes, green chilies, loads of ginger and garlic, and the lamb. Now that's ready to dish up. Turn the gas off. There you go. Now for those amazing onions. You're going to have to come to Latifs and try out this dish. You're going to be blown away by the textures and flavours. Get all those little crispy crunchy bits in there as well. Get in there. That crispy crunchy onions, the lamb, coriander to garnish. Voila. There you go. Kulchi lamb, crispy crunchy onions, and an amazing lamb curry. Now this is going to be on the chef specials. Come and have a try at Latif's Indian restaurant. Beautiful. Now let's try this amazing dish. Make sure to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Beautiful. Kulchi lamb recipe, crispy crunchy onions, lamb Bhuna style dish, proper home style, handy style dish at Latif's Indian restaurant. Chef special menu, so only for special taster evenings. You must come and check it out. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So for all you amazing home chefs, you're wondering how this tastes like, so I'm going to tuck into it. Just admiring this dish. Look at that, beautiful. Lamb with those onions, looks delicious. Let's give this a taste. So bismillah. Oh wow, wow. I think these onions, like I said, it's like the onion bhaji. You can just keep on nibbling on it. So if you enjoy onion bhaji, imagine this. The wet sauce, juicy, tender, melt in your mouth lamb. It's a big massive piece. Truly amazing. If you enjoy what I do, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to try this recipe, cook it at home. But if you come to the restaurant in a couple of weeks, this is going to be on the menu. There's a few people traveling to come to the restaurant. It's a really humbling experience, and we try the utmost to get you the most delicious British Indian restaurant food to your plate for you guys to enjoy. And so far, everybody's been enjoying it, and we're enjoying meeting these customers as well. Delicious. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon for the next one. Voila.